What is going on, you guys? Alex here with EV Sportline, bringing you another product install video. Today we're in the Rivian R1T and we're going to be installing a set of our film screen protectors on the dash screen. So we're going to have two screen protectors in this set, so once one gets dirty you can peel it off and apply a new one. But today we're going to walk you through how to install this yourself. Let's go ahead and get started. So inside we're going to find our screen protector accessories pack, as well as the screen protectors themselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up our screen protector accessories. We're gonna wanna grab the wet wipe and just go ahead and wipe the screen down and make sure we get everything clean before we put the screen protector on. So once we've got that good and clean, we can take the microfiber cloth and make sure to get this nice and dry, free of any dust or lint or fingerprints. Now on the screen protector, we're going to find a sticker with number 1 and a sticker with number 2 on the back side. We can go ahead and grab our guide stickers that were included in the accessories pack, and we're going to apply these to the side that says number 2. I like to put one on the top and one on the bottom. That way I can hold it from opposing angles and get it lined up. So now with that done, we can go ahead and grab our number 1 and peel that off. And here's where we want to try and avoid touching the back side if we can, just so we don't put any fingerprints on it. And now I'm going to use those guide stickers to hold it. I'm going to make sure the number 2 sticker is facing right side up. And now we're just going to line it up with our corners on the screen and set it into place. Now at this point, before you peel off the number 2 cover, we can just take a credit card or a squeegee and make sure we get any bubbles out. Now once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and grab your number 2 sticker, peel that off, and your install is complete. Alright, and that is going to do it for us today on our install of the EV Sportline screen protectors for Rivian R1T. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.